This is Invest Library's GCash series, and for this video, ipapakita naman namin ang full verification process ng GCash. You need to do this if you are semi-verified or partially verified. First, for this process, you need to have a Facebook account para makapag-sign in sa Messenger. And just a warning, may mga nabalitaan na akong fake accounts or fake page na ginagaya ang GCash. So please make sure that you are messaging the right account. This is the correct account. It's gian.gcash.52. I provided this link in the description below. Sa desktop or sa laptop, madali lang siyang makita sa URL. You'll see gian.gcash.52. Parang ganito. Sa phone naman, if you search for Gian GCash sa Messenger, may tatlo agad nagpakita. So make sure to click the link below and see if it will open the messaging app and double check if it is gian.gcash.52. So going back, I just sent a message to them na gusto ko nang ma-full verify yung account ko. Then nag-reply sila asking for this information. Then I answered all the details and provided the picture ng ID ko, yung harap at yung likod. Yung mid-ID yung ginamit ko. Tumatanggap din sila ng ibang IDs. I provided the list of valid IDs in the description below, so you can check that. Then, nag-reply sila and then natawagan na rin ako after that. Yung interview, 5 minutes lang siya. Sobrang bilis lang niya. Basically, i-confirm lang yung mga details na binigay mo sa kanila, like yung full name, including the middle name, your permanent or your current address, and kung employed ka ba, saan ka nag-work. Yun lang yung mga natanong sa akin. Then, after the call, ito na yung confirmation na na-receive ko saying na fully verified na yung account ko. Of course, hindi agad to mag-take effect. You need to wait for a few minutes to few hours para mag-replicate to sa account and sa buong system nila. And that's it. For sure, fully verified na yung account ko. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Soon, I will create videos about GCash MasterCard, GCash Invest, GCredit, and more. So if you want to be updated, please subscribe. And shoutout sa mga first subscribers namin. Sobrang salamat po. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time po. Bye-bye.